We've made the top floor into a studio apartment for the newlyweds Henry and Sophie. The middle floor turned into a nursery for the unexpected triplets. And thanks to your comments, I now know what we're going to build on the bottom floor of the old Heartlake Performance School. And make sure you stick around because today we're going to find out the names of these gorgeous triplet babies. Welcome to LEV Toys. I had so many marvelous suggestions from you guys about what to build on the bottom floor here of what's actually turned out to be Sophie and Henry's whole house, which is not how I had originally intended it, but that's how life often goes, so we just roll with it. Right, demolishing downstairs first. We're getting rid of all of this cafeteria stuff. Lockers are gone. Are you ready to find out what the theme for the bottom floor is going to be? Well, I laughed my head off when a couple of you suggested in the comments that we make the bottom floor a ball pit for the babies. I thought that was absolutely ridiculous and hilarious, and that is what we're going to do. We're not going to leave it like this. I'm actually going to pull it all apart after we've done it later, but for this week we're going to turn it into a ball pit. So the first thing we're going to need is a slide to get down into this ball pit. Babies are going to have the best time. We're actually going to prop this slide up with a bit of a play area, like a little playhouse. So we've got a windowy door thing down here, and we'll put another windowy bit. Actually, we might put a roof on here first. Put a bit of a roof on our window, on our doory window, so they can actually climb out through there and they can peek up out through the window. Oh, that's so cute. And to actually access the slide, I have put a hole in the floor in the playpen. Now that is entirely not safe, but this is just silly. They're going to be put, if their parents put them in the playpen, they're just going to fall straight down on the slide into the ball pit. Let's try this out with our little green swaddle baby. Let's go. Whee! Oh, that's not safe at all. It just bounced straight out again. Of course, we haven't put the balls down, so that is not safe for babies. So not safe. Let's make it a little safer. Oh my goodness. All right, I am actually going to take out a little bit of these internal pillars. In fact, I might take them entirely out, might take those arches out entirely in a minute. I'll see how much I hate having them hanging over there, but they are needed for a bit of structure for the floors above. And we're going to make a nice glass wall along here. Well, not glass, it's going to be perspex because that's safer for babies. So a perspex wall so we can see the babies when they're diving under the balls into the ball pit. And we're going to smooth along the top. And I'm having entirely too much fun. Now, that's basically it. I mean, what more do you need for a ball pit except for a whole heap of balls, and we're going to use all these single studs that you have a whole load of when you have Lego sets. You even get spares. We're going to fill this up with all of our little balls. Put them down the slide. Fill it right up to the very brim. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. There's balls in the play area under the slide. There are balls everywhere. They're actually falling out. Isn't that so colourful? We'll put the playroom back so they're ready to go down the slide, and here we go. The naming of the baby. The first one, the little boy in the green swaddle. Here were some of the most popular names, but the most popular by far, you Harry Potter fans, was Harry. So this little fella, his name is Harry. Hi Harry, you want to go down the slide first? Off you go. Whee! Oh, God. He slalomed off the top of those balls. He's having a great time. Who's going to join him next? Well, it's going to be our other little boy in the blue swaddle. What names do we have to choose from here? Now, the second most popular name, we had some really good ones for the boys, but the second most popular name was Alex. So down you go, Alex. We've got Harry, and Alex is coming down. Here we go. Go on, Alex. And drop. Oh, he's landed on his head. But it's in a pit full of balls, so he should be all right. He looks okay. It's time to name a little girl, the little pink swaddled baby. Now, most popular names were Lily, Violet, and Sophia, but the overall most popular name was Violet. So that's going to be her name. So the three babies, let's send Violet down. Violet is going down to join. Oh no, hold on, she's landed on her face. No, she's righted herself. She's okay. So we have Violet and Alex and Harry all there in the ball pit. Now, where are these babies' parents? They need a responsible adult. Oh, here comes Henry. I'm not certain he's being a responsible adult. He just fell out. Let's see that again. Oh my goodness. Once again in extra slow motion. Oh, he's crashed on the floor. Oh, Henry, let's try it again and see if you actually land in the ball pit. And here we go. There we are. Obviously, it's fun for parents, but it's not designed for them. It's designed for the babies. Now, I have a serious concern. Sophie has been out shopping, and these little mischief makers here at the bottom window, they haven't told her that we've turned the bottom floor into a ball pit. So she's come home now with the shopping. She's gonna open the door. And she's seriously wondering what is going on here, while the other ratbags are still busy giggling over there at the window. Cheeky monkeys that they are. But she loves a ball pit as much as the next mum, and she's in there with them as well. Best bottom floor renovation ever. I'm going to let them have some fun in this for a little while, but we are going to change it up a little later. But in the meantime, let's put the rest of this house back together. Doesn't it look cool there? It looks so cool. I have to be careful putting the other floors on because I've taken out the internal support structure. So I just don't want to press down too hard on the middle, otherwise it'll all collapse in. But it looks so cool. Their bottom floor is a ball pit with a slide. I want to go and live there, but I can't. All right, we've named those babies. We are going to do a serious renovation soon for the bottom floor. So make sure you've subscribed and hit the little notification bell if you haven't already. And I'm going to be back with another video and hopefully another build very, very soon. See ya.